Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 3500 watt portable inverter generator is a game changer for anyone in need of reliable power on the go. With its compact design and lightweight structure, this generator is ideal for camping trips, tailgating, or as a backup power source during emergencies. One of the standout features of this generator is its quiet operation, thanks to its advanced inverter technology. Operating at just 58 dBA, it allows users to enjoy the great outdoors without the intrusive noise typically associated with traditional generators. Power-wise, the 3500 watt output is sufficient for running essential appliances. It can effortlessly power a refrigerator, microwave, or even a small air conditioner, which makes it versatile for various applications. The generator features two 120V household outlets and a 12V DC outlet, offering multiple charging options for different devices. Additionally, the built-in USB ports add convenience for charging small electronics, such as smartphones and tablets. Safety is a top priority with Champion's inverter generator, equipped with CO Shield technology that automatically shuts off the generator if it detects unsafe levels of carbon monoxide. This feature provides peace of mind, especially when using the generator in enclosed spaces or during nighttime camping. The fuel efficiency is commendable, as the generator runs for up to 12 hours on a single tank of gas at 25% load. This impressive runtime means fewer refuels and more uninterrupted power supply. The easy-to-read fuel gauge and user-friendly controls make it accessible for both novice and experienced users. Overall, the Champion Power Equipment 3500 watt portable inverter generator combines power, safety, and quiet operation in a compact package. It's an investment that pays off in terms of convenience, efficiency, and peace of mind, making it an excellent choice for those in need of dependable portable power when and where they need it most.